If you bought this key programmer from thinkcar, but if you go to these modules, there is no key programmer. So first we have to go to Upgrade, Up, Other, and here is the software for key programmer. Install it successfully. And now we do have it here in modules. Okay, so we have to update firmware as well. Okay, firmware upgrade successfully. Now let's do this remote database. And remote database updated as well. So we have everything updated. Okay, so this is for installation. I will play a little bit with this to see what it can do.